In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image in Microsoft Word, specifically on the Windows desktop version. Whether you're sprucing up a document with pictures or simply want to adjust an image's focus, knowing how to crop efficiently can really enhance your document's appearance. So, let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, you need to have the image you want to crop. If you've already inserted it into your document, click to select it. If not, insert the image first by using the Insert tab at the top of Word and then navigating to Pictures to locate the image on your computer. Once your image is selected, make sure it's highlighted to signal that you're ready for the next steps. Now, shift your focus to the top of the screen where the ribbon is located. Here, you want to click on the Picture Format tab. The helpful tools found in this tab are key to adjusting how your image appears on the page. Once you're in the Picture Format menu, look for the Crop button and click on it. This triggers black crop handles, which look like thick bars, to appear around the border of your selected image. These crop handles are your tools for customizing the image's size and shape. To crop the image, click and drag these handles inward to remove unwanted parts, or outward to include more of the image. A handy tip while doing this is to hold down the Control key. This technique ensures that your cropping stays even on two parallel sides, which is particularly useful if you need to maintain a symmetrical look. Now, for those of you who want to get a bit more creative, there are optional extras you can explore. You might want to crop your image into a particular shape. If so, click on the small arrow just under the Crop button, select Crop to Shape, and choose your desired shape. This feature provides a fun way to fit your image into design elements. Furthermore, if you're looking to maintain a specific aspect ratio, such as a classic square, go to the same small arrow and choose Aspect Ratio. From there, select the ratio that fits your needs, such as 1:1 for a square. The crop handles will automatically adjust to help maintain this ratio as you crop. Once you're pleased with the adjustments you've made, there are a couple of ways to apply the crop. Either click outside the picture to finalize, click the Crop button again, or simply press Enter. With these simple steps, you've successfully customized the look of your image, enhancing the visual impact of your document. And that's it! You now know how to crop an image in Microsoft Word on the Windows desktop version. This process not only tidies up your images, but also adds a personalized touch to your documents. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.